Hi kids, today we are going to learn numbers unit 2. Okay, so first let us learn multiplication by lattice algorithm. Okay, we are going to multiply 2-digit number by 2-digit number and 3-digit number by single-digit number. Okay, so first one, multiplication of 2-digit by a 2-digit number. So lattice algorithm. So one example is given here. I explain the example first. So the number given here is 48 into 36. In the step 1 you have to draw a square like this and divide it into 4 parts. Okay, like this you have to draw one square. இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு square வரைஞ்சுக்கோங்க. Okay, draw one square like this. In step 2 you have to draw line this. In the diagonal parts of each part you have to draw one diagonal line like this. So ஒரு diagonal line இப்படி வரைங்க. Okay, this is step 2. Okay, step 3, here see. First in the step 3 we are going to multiply 48. What are the numbers? We are going to multiply 48 into 36. First you have to multiply 48 into 3 first. So write 3 first. Here 48, here 3. Okay, so first step you are going to multiply 4 and 3. So what is 3 into 4? Which is equal to 12. Okay, 4 into 3 into 4 equal to 12. So put the tens place here, ones place here. In the 12, this is ones place, this is tens place. So put the tens place here, ones place here, 12. And next one, multiplied 8 with 3. That is 3 into 8 equal to 24. 3 into 8 equal to 24. This is ones place, this is tens place. Put 2 in the tens place, 4 in the ones place. This is tens place, this is ones place. Okay. Next we are going to multiply it with 6. So 48 into 36. We already multiplied 48 into 3. Now you are going to multiply 48 into 6. Second digit என்ன 6. இப்போ 48 6 நால multiply பண்ண போறோம். Let us multiply 48 into 6. So what is 6 into 4? 6 into 4 equal to 6 fours are 24. So write 2 here, 4 here, 24. Tens place, ones place. Next one, multiplied 8 and 6. 6 into 8 equal to 48. So put 4 here, 8 here. This is tens place, ones place. Okay. Once again I repeat. So 48 into 36. So first you have to multiply 48 and 3. Okay. 4 into 3, 12. 8 into 3, 24. Next 48 into 6. 4. 6 into 4, 24. 24. And then 6 into 8, 48. 4, 8. So all things are over. So you are going to now add all these things. Okay, how to add? First here. So in this is a diagonal line. Okay, in the diagonal line la கீழ உள்ள பார்ட்ட first you have to write this 8. And then between these two diagonal lines 4 numbers are there. இந்த ரெண்டு diagonal line க்கு இடையில எத்தனை numbers இருக்கு? 3 numbers are there. 4 4 4. 4 plus 4 8. 8 plus 4 12. So here 12 and you have to keep it 1 in mind. That is you have to keep 1 in mind. So in this diagonal line what are the numbers? 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 2 6 plus 1. So 7. Put 7 here. Then add this. Only 1 is here 1. Okay. So add as a diagonals. So diagonal side இருக்கிற numbers add பண்ணணும். You have to add in the diagonal way. So here 8. 4 plus 4 8. 8 plus 4 12. So put 2 here 1 here. The carry over 1 to the next diagonal place. அதில் 2 plus 2 என்ன 4. 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 1 7. Next diagonal place 1. Okay, 1. So you have to add diagonal from bottom to top. Okay. So here the arrow is here. You have to add in this direction to in this direction. Then after you have to write result as 48 into 36 equal to, you have to write from this way to this. That is 1728 is the answer. Okay, 1728 is the answer. Okay, this is the lattice algorithm. I will explain with another example here. Multiply 96 into 72. So put one square and parts divided into 4 parts first, and then diagonal lines, draw the diagonal lines. So 96, first number write in the top. First number you have to write in the top. So second number 72 in the right hand side of the square. So right hand side second number you have to write. Okay. First you have to multiply 96 with 7. Okay. First 7 into 9. First you have to multiply 7 into 9 equal to 63. So 63. Next one 7 into 6. 7 into 6 equal to 42. 42. Next step 2 into 9 equal to 18. 1 8. Next 2 into 6 equal to 12. 1 2. Okay. So you have to write like this first. Multiply and write the tens place, ones place correctly. After that you are going to add all these diagonal place numbers. So per diagonal place ulla numbers we are going to add. Okay. So in the diagonal place, what is the number? 2. So 2. First write 2. Then 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 8. 3 plus 8, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11, put 1 here and carry over 1 to the next diagonal space. Okay. So here 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Okay. 9 is here. Next 6. 6. You are adding like this, and when writing the answer you have to write from top to bottom. Okay. 6, 9, 1, 2. This is the answer. Okay. Let us do with one exercise. Okay. This is lattice algorithm. Let us explain with one exercise problem. This problem exercise 2.1. First problem 52 into 49. We are going to do this. So here we are going to do the first problem, exercise 2.1. Okay. 1. What is the problem? 52 into 49. Okay. First step, draw the square. Draw the square and divide it into 4 parts. Okay. Divide it into 4 parts. Next, top of the square 5, 2. Next, you have to multiply it by 4, 9. Now, diagonal lines also you have to draw. So, here 1 diagonal line, 2, 3. So, square, first 4 parts, then diagonal lines. You have to draw like this. This is the first number at the top and the second number at the right hand side. Okay. Now, multiply 5 and 4 and 2 and 4. Okay. So, first one 4 into 5 equal to 4 into 5, 20. So, how to write 20 here? This is tens place, this is ones place. So, in the first square, there are 2 parts are here. So, write the 20, 2 here, 0 here. This is tens place, ones place. Next, 2 into 4. So, here 4 into 2 equal to 8. There is no tens place. Only ones place is here. So in the tens place there is 0. No tens place. So here 0, 8. 0, 8. Next one, you have to multiply 52 into 9. So 5 into first 9 into 5 equal to 45. So here 4, 5. Next one, 9 into 2 equal to 18. 9 into 2 equal to 18. So here write 1 here, 8 here. Okay. So how to add now? All the diagonal places you have to add. Here add 8 is here, and 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 5 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 4 here, carry over to here. In the next diagonal place you have to move the carry over. 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 4 5. Here 2. So you are adding in this direction. Okay. Now answer. How to write the answer? 52 into 49 equal to 2548. 2548. Don't write these two numbers. Okay. These two numbers are multiplication number. This is only answer. This is 2548 is the answer. Okay. So now let us see how to multiply 3-digit number. So there is one example is here. Here example, how to multiply 3-digit number with single digit number. 282, here 9. The same way, draw one square. So here rectangle, and is split into 3 parts. So 3-digit number, 3 parts. Then draw the diagonal lines. Okay. Here 9 into 2. What is 9 into 2? Equal to 18. 1, 8. Next 9 into 8. 9 into 8 equal to 72. 7, 2. Next 9 into 2. 9 into 2 equal to again 18. 1, 8. So add in the diagonal way. 8 first. Here 1 plus 2, 3. Here 7 plus 8, 8. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 5 here, the carry over 1 here. 1 plus 1, 2. Okay. So write the answer. 282 into 9 equal to 2538. Okay. So how to multiply 3-digit number by single digit number. So we are going to see one more example here. 647 into 6. 647 into 6. So first one, 6 into 6. 6 into 6 equal to 36. 36. Next one, 6 into 4. 6 into 4 equal to 24. 24. Next one, 6 into 7. 6 into 7 equal to 42. 42. Okay. So multiply and put the numbers like this. After this, you are going to add all the diagonal places. 2 here. 4 plus 4, 8. 2 plus 6, 8. So here 3, 3. So write the answer in this direction. 647 into 6 equal to 3882. Let us do one exercise for this 3-digit number. One example, this one. 347 into 5. Let us do this. Second, 347 into 5. Draw for 3 numbers. 3, 4, 7. So you need 1, 2, 3. Okay. So here diagonal lines. Draw diagonal lines for each square. Okay. Into 5. Okay. Now 5 into 3. 5 into 3 equal to 15. How to write 15? 1, 5. Next 5 into 4 equal to 20. 2, 0. Okay. Next 5 into 7 equal to 35. 5 into 7 equal to 35. How to write this? 3 here, 5 here. Now add. Multiplication is over. Now add in the diagonal place. So 5, 3 plus 0, 3, 2 plus 5, 7, here 1. So you are adding in this direction. How to write the answer? 347 into 5 equal to 1735. 1735. This is the answer. Okay kids, I think you all understand now the lattice algorithm. Okay, it is very simple. So you try with one of these program. Okay, this problem you have to try on your own. Okay, and get the answer. Okay kids, so remaining you try as a exercise, a homework. Okay, do homework of this fourth problem. First and second we completed. So you try with other problems. This is actually third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Okay, so try with this as a homework. Okay, try in your rough note. Okay, thank you kids.